Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
IKEA has become synonymous with affordable, stylish furniture that's both functional and trendy. From minimalist bookshelves to space-saving beds, IKEA offers a wide range of products that cater to diverse tastes and needs. However, navigating the world of IKEA furniture can be overwhelming for newcomers. Here's everything you need to know about IKEA furniture to make your shopping experience smoother and your home more stylish. Flat pack assembly. One of the most distinctive features of IKEA furniture is its flat pack design. This means that items are sold unassembled in flat boxes, making them easy to transport and assemble at home. While some people enjoy the DIY aspect of assembling furniture, others find it daunting. However, fear not. IKEA provides detailed instructions with clear diagrams, and most pieces can be assembled with basic tools like a screwdriver and hammer. Affordability. IKEA is renowned for its affordable prices. Whether you're furnishing a small apartment or a large house, you'll find furniture that fits your budget without compromising on quality. While some pieces are made of particle board, IKEA also offers higher quality options made of solid wood or metal for those looking for more durability. Scandinavian design. IKEA's furniture is heavily influenced by Scandinavian design principles, characterized by simplicity, functionality, and minimalism. Clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek finishes are common features of IKEA products, making them versatile and easy to integrate into various interior styles. Modular and customizable. Many IKEA furniture pieces are modular, meaning you can mix and match different components to create custom solutions for your space. This is particularly useful for small or oddly shaped rooms where standard furniture may not fit perfectly. IKEA's modular systems, such as the Kallax shelving unit or the PAX wardrobe system, allow you to customize your storage according to your needs. Quality versus price. While IKEA offers affordable furniture, it's essential to consider the trade-off between price and quality. Some pieces may not withstand heavy use or frequent moves as well as higher-end furniture. However, with proper care and maintenance, most IKEA furniture can last for years. For more durability, consider investing in solid wood or metal pieces, which tend to be sturdier than those made of particle board. In-store experience. Visiting an IKEA store can be an adventure in itself. The stores are designed to be immersive experiences, with room displays, interactive features, and even restaurants serving Swedish meatballs. While this can be overwhelming for some, it allows you to visualize how furniture will look and function in a real-life setting. Environmental sustainability. IKEA is committed to sustainability and has implemented various initiatives to reduce its environmental impact. This includes using renewable and recyclable materials, minimizing waste in production, and promoting energy-efficient practices. Many IKEA products are also designed to be easily disassembled and recycled at the end of their lifespan. Additional services. In addition to furniture, IKEA offers a range of services to make your shopping experience more convenient. This includes home delivery, assembly assistance, and kitchen planning services. These services come at an extra cost but can save you time and effort, especially if you're not keen on assembling furniture yourself. In conclusion, IKEA furniture offers a winning combination of affordability, style, and functionality. By understanding its unique features and offerings, you can make informed decisions when shopping for furniture and create a stylish, comfortable home that reflects your personality and lifestyle.